Weren't we the road stop, spent evening getting locked in the Sahars where the high stones were engaging. Over the foot down to the dock and the boat had sailed at 5 o'clock. Hurry lads, said Whacker, before we're there but I'll be back. Carry him if you can. The crack was 90 in the Highlandman. Before we reached the Alexander base, the ding dong needed surely raise in the bar of the boat. A great sport as the ships had sailed out from the port. Landed up in the Douglas Head, waiting for a vacant bed. In the dining room got shown by a days and mama from up the road. Here now if you can. The crack was 90 in the Highlandman. The foreign girls, it was said, were all to be met in a Douglas Head. Shane was there with his tie and shirt. The flooding girls, he was trying to flirt. So the girls, I'm your man. The crack was 90 in the Highlandman. Whacker fancied his good looks on the night among moment he was struck. The Liverpool lad was by her side and he threw a glance into her. And he thought he'd take a chance, so he asked her where went out to dance. Down the floor they stepped it out, the wicked was no bother. Everything was going to plan. The crack was 90 in the Highlandman. The Highlandman woman fancied Whack. The man stayed there till his mates come back. Then Whack, the old Whack in the whack, and Whack was landed on his back. The Douglas force arrived like hell, well landed a couple of them as well. And he spent the night in the Douglas jail till the Dublin boat to sail deported every man. The crack was 90 in the Highlandman.